Hi everyone, my name is Sam. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video for the YouTube algorithm. This will help me grow this channel. So in this video, I'll introduce you to BlueWillow. So BlueWillow is an image generating AI kind of create images for you based on whatever description you give. So this is their website. I'll put the description. I'll put the link to this website in the description below. So please check it out. So to join BlueWillow, you will have to join their Discord group. So just say join free beta. So just click on here and it will take you to Discord. So if you don't have a Discord account, you might have to create that. So a little bit about BlueWillow. So you can just go through the rules of BlueWillow. Make sure you're following them. Make sure you're not harassing anyone, not violence, no nudity, sexuality, and anything illegal and things like that. And then some of the FAQs about Blue Willow. So it kind of tells you what Blue Willow is, why it was created, why does it operate on Discord, and things like that. It also talks about if you have the right to the image. So based on information here, it says that whatever art you create using Blue Willow belongs to you. So you are the owner of the art. You can use that art for your commercial gain, for your book writing, for whatever you like. You can do it whatever you can do with it. Here are some of the rookie rooms. So rookie rooms are the platforms or the spaces where you will be asking Blue Willow to create images for you. So we'll be doing that in this video. So to create an image, you will have to use the imagine command. So it will be / imagine, and then you will imagine the image of whatever you like. So here I can say that a dog on the moon, and then it will kind of create me a image of a dog on the moon. So let's do that. So here are some of the other images that other people are creating. You can check them out as well. So if the more description you give and the more specific you are, you will get the result based on that. So if you are asking for something specific, try to describe it more. The more you describe it, the better it is able to do that for you. It is good with most of the thing, but sometimes maybe it kind of misunderstand the information. But you can do that. Well, say it says a dog on the moon. So this is a picture of a dog. I don't see a moon here. It's possible that my description of the image or my description of the image was not good enough. I can say that again. So I can say, imagine a dog standing on the moon. Let's see what happens now. So here's the picture that I created about this. So these are pictures that other people are creating. Some people share their own images. Some people. So these are images. So this is the AI created image as well. So they probably wanted to do a Chloe Bennett. And here are some of the English colorful logo design for our Coach Graham's YouTube channel. So look at that, very cool image here. Here is the manifest featuring Nicki Minaj. Uh, Here are some of the other images that people are asking for. So the more specific you are, the better your images would be. So here's just the logo of a company with the picture of a goat and a goat village written on it. So here is the picture of that. So someone asked for that, and uh, one of the unfortunate thing about this is that it does not have a privacy. Well, you can have a private conversation with Blue Willow. You will have to kind of share the platform with everybody else. So here is the picture of a dog standing on the moon. So yep, here we go. We can, if you want to sub, so here are a bunch of other things. So these are U1 kind of gives you an image. So U1 is the first image, U2 is the second image, U3 is the third image, and U4 is the fourth image. And these are variations. So if you want variants of this image, U1, you will click on V1. And if you want the variants of this image, you can do V2 and things like that. So the more explanation you give, the better it would be. The better imagination you have, the good imagination you have, the better picture you will get. It looks like I don't have a good imagination. That's why the picture is not that great. But you can see a bunch of other people that are kind of creating very cool images because they have very cool imagination. So here, this person says, "Give me a picture of hell." So this is what he got. If I want to kind of if I want to focus on this image, so this is image someone else created, I can just say U4, and then it will give me this image. And I can ask for variation of the images as well. So if I want a variation of this image, uh, let's see, I think the image got created already. So this is the goat one. I can, if I want a variation of this image, the goat one, I'll just say V3 and it'll give me a variation of that. So let's see what happens. That's the dog one that I asked for. Uh, let's see where the image is. Sometimes it does take a while for you to uh, look at the image that you requested because there's a lot of activity going on and there are not that many rooms. And the platform is pretty busy most of the time. So you might want to try to come in the off time or maybe like when there's less traffic. So just imagine, just assume again, just assume that or imagine one less people will be awake, so you can try it then, and it will work better for you. You won't have to deal with this much traffic. I'm still waiting for the image to. I'm sure it is kind of uploaded already, but so yeah, here is the image of the hell that I asked for. Image of the hell. And then let's see. The other image I asked for was the variation of the other hill image. So let's see how that is. Uh, as you can see, there's a lot of, okay, so this is a variation of the goat image that I asked for. So these are four different variations. So if I want to choose between one of them, I can just click on that. We can just create our own image as well. So maybe this time I'll just give a little more description. So I'll say, imagine a deer uh, uh, drinking water while a wolf is watching it. So let's see what happens. Uh, so it does take a minute. So it says Genghis Khan in the kingdom, a picture of Genghis Khan in the kingdom, and this is a full length, a tall, very man with long hair, curly red hair. So these are some of the logos that people are creating. So logos for finance expert, a real wealth solution. Let's see. I can also try to create a logo. Let's see. Let's wait for the other image. So this is the image that I asked for. It was a deer drinking water where a wolf is watching it. Yeah. So the wolf is not in the picture, but you can see the a deer that it is kind of looking around for a wolf or somewhere. So wolf is probably hidden somewhere. So I can ask also for a logo. So I'll say, imagine uh, a logo for a company. Uh, imagine a logo for a company called Howtech. Let's see what happens. Sometimes when you're asking for a logo, you might have to give like a lot of more description on what you're looking for because the AI need to understand what you're looking for. So it says Khalifa Tower and 2100. Let's see. I'm just waiting for my image to be generated, and then we can check it out to see how the logo was created. Let's wait for that. Here's the logo that it got created for Howtech. So these are some of the cool logos. If I want to focus on one, I can do that. I can do number one, or maybe let's get the variations of number one. Get number one and get the variations of number one as well. So you can ask for multiple things. You don't have to ask for one. You can have variations for all of them and then check them out as well. So here's a pixel art of a Picasso meet a doggy at a moon. A very imaginative, and here are the images for that. Let's see. We can scroll through them to see. So here is a beautiful logo of a brand with the image of a mountain goat. Here is the logo that I asked for. So just look at this logo, very cool. So AI, what the AI does, it creates their own images. It is not borrowing them from anywhere. It is creating them and then kind of displaying them to you. So here is the logo of the company. So I asked for different variation of that logo, and here is it. It says how. Uh, it says a lot of things. I'm not sure what any of that means, but this is so it can. If you give more information about these logos, it can create that for you. So this is it for this video. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Also, if you have any suggestions or any images that you would like me to create, please write in the comment below, and I'll try to create them and then maybe post them in the community section or something like that. So please give me your suggestions in the comment below. So this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.